So I will not go into too much details, but just get the idea that we have a private network which connects the different centers, Coimbra here, Aveiro with the main IT infrastructure, then Porto and Minho. And there is only one access to the exterior, which is through a firewall. And then we have, of course, a big storage which has security, so we are up 100% of the time until now. No failure until now. We have 2.5 years of uptime of our infrastructure, and until now there was almost no failure. We also share computations. We have a light server. I will show you a little bit more in a while. And we also have a backup infrastructure so that data is not lost through the years. So this is just to show you the complexity of the infrastructure. So the inner square is everything that is connected to the private network. So you have things in Aveiro, things in Coimbra, also in Porto, and Braga and Católica here. So these connections, they are all to the dark fiber, so the fiber that we share, and they are all very fast among them. So as you were in the same building, so you have a gigabit and a 10 gigabit connection. So it means that you are really as you were in your own building, but you are hundreds of kilometers apart. You can have brain imaging workstations. I will show you some functionalities of them. They are over the data, so and they are very fast. So this means that you are basically at the same environment as you were close to the machine. We have also video conferencing systems spread around. And then in the universities, you can also actually have access to the infrastructure, but through only the one entrance, which is the firewall. So if you are away from the centers where we have these workstations connected to this main backbone of information, you can also have access to the information, but it's slower. So it's through another way. And actually, if you are at home, you can also have access, but it's through another way, through the internet. You have to make a tunnel, security tunnel, so that you get into the infrastructure, and it's slower, of course. Anyway, you can actually look at, for example, at your processing that is going on in the machines of the brain imaging network, which is a good thing for us that sometimes wait for 3 days for computations. This is the infrastructure we have in Aveiro Node. So the communication link, then the storage. We have around 80 terabytes of storage. Then we have a cluster that's sharing and virtualizing machines for the neuroscientists. And then we have, this is an example of a brain imaging workstation, which has 3 components. Of course, access to the portal, where you manage everything, where you manage the schedule of your time, where you manage your data, you manage your groups of patients or groups of data. Then you have also a video conference. We have 2 systems, a system based on web and a system based on video conferencing systems. We will see a little bit more. And then you can have what we call telepresence and teleconference. Here we are looking and we are interacting with people in the MRI infrastructure here in Coimbra.